Hello student, I am Gautami Dhange from Indrayani English School. Today we are going to learn our last lesson whose name is drawing polygon. Okay, so first of all we will see what is meant by polygon. A polygon is an enclosed shape with three or more sides. It also has corner. Count the side and corner of the polygon. Okay, the polygon is an enclosed shape. Enclosed means, see, there are two type of shapes, closed shape and open shape, or we can call it as an closed figure and open figure. Open figure means the starting and end point are different. See here, this figure is start from this side and open to this side. Okay, means starting point is different and ending point is different. But this will not happen in closed figure. In closed figure or in closed shape, the starting and ending point is same. See here, this figure is start from this point, even it has four sides and four corners and end to this line. So this is the closed figure. Now you understand, this is open figure and this is closed figure. I will show you one more example. See, these are the closed figure: square, circle, triangle. Okay, means starting and ending point is same, but this will not happen in closed shape. See here, the starting point is this side, and when the star completed to another side or another point, so these all are the closed shape. Okay, now you understand close and open. Now see, a polygon is a closed plane figure formed by line segment. So this is closed figure, so it is called as an polygon. But this is an open figure, so it is not called as an polygon. Now again we will see the definition of polygon. A polygon is any flat shape with three or more sides. Okay, see this, three or more sides. In triangle there are three sides and three corners. In rectangle there are four sides and four corners. This is pentagon. It has five sides and five corners. So polygon are the closed shape, which means that the lines are closed and not open. So whatever the shape we can see here, these are the closed shape and it is called as an polygon. Now we will see some commands to draw the polygon on the screen. Okay, for that open MS Logo software. Okay, in last lecture I explained this MS Logo software. As I said, a triangle that you can see on the screen is the turtle. We will call it as an turtle. Now we will draw two lines. FD 60 means go forward 16 point, then RT turn right 90 degree, and FD 16 means again you go forward for 16 point. Okay, so in this way you can draw the lines. Now we will see how to draw the square. Okay, two lines are already here, then we want two more lines. So how to draw this? Okay, now two lines are already here and the turtle faces in front of the screen. So again you turn the turtle, that is RT 90 degree, means turn your turn to the right side at 90 degree, then again go forward 16 points, then again turn to right side 90 degree, and just move forward 16 point. Okay, so every time we move forward 16 point, so we can get the square shape. Now we will see how to draw the rectangle. Okay, now we will draw the rectangle. To draw the rectangle, just start, move forward, FD 16 point. Okay, then turn to right side at 90 degree, then move forward 120 points. Okay, why we move forward 120? Because these in rectangle not all four sides are equal. The two sides which are in front of each other, they are equal. So one side we move forward for 60 point, and for other side we move forward for 120 point. Okay, then again return 90 degree, then move forward 16 points, then return again 90 degree and move forward 120 points. Okay, so in this way you will get your rectangle. Okay student, now we will going to draw triangle. In triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, now just draw the first side, move forward 16 degree, okay, then return to right side 90 degree, or we will return now 90 degree we don't want, we will return with 120 degree, sorry, then again move forward 16 points, then turn to right with 120 degree. Okay, then again move forward 16 point. Okay, in this way you will get your triangle. Okay, at last we will see how to draw the pentagon. The pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. So just move forward with 16 points, turn to right side with 72 degree, again move forward at 16 point, turn to right side by 72 degree, then again move forward by 16 points, again turn, again move forward by 16 points, again just turn it, okay, you will get your pentagon. Now you understand, for the side we use forward command, and for the corner we use return to right side command, means RT command. If there are 5 corners, use RT command 5 times, and if there are 5 sides, use FD command 5 times. Okay, again you just keep in mind, for the sides, to draw the side we used here FD command, and to draw the corner for angles we use here RT command. Okay, so in this way you can draw any shape, you can draw any polygon in MS Logo software.